it is, unboxing today, Aiper's Scuba X1 Pro Max all-in-one cleaning machine. Look at this beautiful thing. We're gonna dive into this box today and see all the goods in here. Right on the top it says bring vacation home, and that's what we're gonna do. Love it. Instructions right on top so you don't have to go digging for them. Complete set that you can pack back into this nice quick start guide. User's manual. Love a quick start guide. We'll just jump right into that. Make sure we have all the parts. Let's see what this machine can do for you. Hello, there's a big boy. Look at, wow, this is a fella. This is what we've all been waiting for, the complete all-in-one smart cleaning robot. Let's see what all the attachments are, and then we'll break it open. Docking station, filter inserts. Love the fact that they come apart for cleaning. That is great. Power cord, hook retrieval device. Now let's look at this guy. Wow, this is a big beast of a cleaner. Oh my goodness. Well, you know it has to be powerful to do everything it claims to do, which is clean the bottom, clean the walls, monitor your pool levels, and clean the surface of the pool. What? I said surface of the pool. Wow, wow, it's beautiful. Look at this powerful machine. Look at these wheels and these gears, these massive tires, these massive treads. These are so big and strong. This is going to be able to climb any size pool. It's got all the bells and whistles. Let's dive in. This Elite Care cleaning system will help you monitor your pool water. It will clean the walls, the stairs, the edge of the water line, and it will also clean the surface of the water. Like no more picking up leaves and debris. This machine will vacuum the surface of the water. Is that even possible? We will see. Let's look at all the pieces in here as we go over this unboxing. This is your massive X1 Pro Max device. It comes with a 3-year warranty. Wow, look at that. Yes, indeed. It has one in the very large debris basket already, and these are simply replaceable. Love that. Big basket slips in there so easy on the top. That's so smart. 4 different distinct functions on the machine that tell you Eco, Auto, and Max cleaning. It gives you instructions and a QR code for downloading the app and setup. We're going to set up our Bluetooth by searching for the app, and it will guide us through the setup instructions, seamlessly hooking to your Wi-Fi. All right, big guy, you ready for your first swim? Here we go. You let the Aiper sit horizontal on the side of the pool for about 5 seconds. Turn it on. Select your cleaning mode. All right, here we go. Have a good swim. Let's see what's happening. We're gonna sit back, have a cool drink, and let him do his thing. Look, he's assessing the pool, spinning around, checking out the landscape. You are seeing the 360-degree mapping adaptive FlexiPath 2.0 feature, where it scans the entire pool and adapts in real time for precise full coverage cleaning across all pool shapes. You have ultra-fine filtration and power with an extra micro mesh filter and 8500 GPH suction. It captures even the finest particles with superior efficiency. Park and charge your Scuba with the docking system and available caddy, and you also have smart surface parking where the device returns automatically to the surface of the pool for retrieval when it's finished its cleaning cycle. As you can see, the pool looks beautiful, and the Aiper S1 Max Pro will vacuum the surface of the water. Look how it goes over the surface, filtering out anything that is debris or bugs or leaves. It's amazing. And then when it finishes its time, it will stay at the surface and go to the edge so it can be retrieved. What a smart, amazing device. I absolutely love it. This product was provided for me for my honest review by Aiper, and I am so grateful for the opportunity to share how much I love it with you. I absolutely highly recommend it. Look out for more videos to come on more specific uses of this amazing machine.